This conference will now be recorded.
ఈ రోజుతో కంప్లీట్ వీళ్ళ కోర్స్ అయిపోయింది.
Recorded.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You carry on, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So here almost we have done lab setup, and these are all actually these are all not new steps. These are all already we have done in Terraform sessions also, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And here let us go to the directory where can you hear my voice clearly?
Sir, I'm able to hear you clearly, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here just I created a directory for AWS Cloud, and I
Mm,
am going into Git Bash.
mm,
From here I am opening Visual Studio Code. Before that, I am going to configure credentials.
mm, mm,
Console.aws.amazon.com. IAM. Python user. Security credentials. Create access key. Other. Okay, yeah, this is a key we have to use to connect to AWS Cloud. Secret access key. Region is US East 2. Format is this one. Now let us open Visual Studio Code from here. Here let me create one file. This is my vm.ref. And we have to install Boto 3 module also. Okay, already I have shown how to install Python also. So here there is how to install Boto 3 here. To install Boto 3, okay, there is a simple command. Pip install Boto 3. This is a command. Python -m pip install Boto 3. I am not executing this because already in my system I have installed Boto 3. Otherwise, let us do this activity.
Okay, sir.
Done. Are you seeing a requirement already satisfied, already satisfied, already satisfied?
Yes, sir, because already installed. Yeah.
And after installing Boto 3 module, so let us see a small Python script to create a virtual machine.
Okay, sir.
So there are so many articles on this. We need not to worry about this. Python EC2 instance. Launching Boto 3 documentation. Many things are given here. There are loads of articles on Boto 3. You can go and verify. All you need to do is just copy paste. Understanding and copy pasting and executing Python something else. Your progress. How to create AC2 AWS A to EC2 instance. There are so many articles. There are so many loads of examples are there. So there is a here EC2. First of all, you have to import Boto 3 module like this EC2. Boto 3 dot resource equal to EC2. First he is creating a PEM file. Before that, he is asking to create one EC2 instance. And here Python AWS cloud, right? Here I have one more Python AWS. It is VM script. It is very simple script to create a virtual machine. Copy this and paste it over here. And how to collect here in here the resource EC2 equal to Boto 3 dot resource. Resource is a method from Boto 3 module. And since I want to create a EC2 instance, I have mentioned EC2. And this reference I am going to use to create an instance. So in EC2, so EC2, so Boto 3 dot resource is going to return EC2 type of object. Okay, EC2 dot create instances. Now to create instance, we need image ID, min count, max count, instance type equal to T2 micro, key name. And how to collect these things from AWS cloud. In AWS cloud, okay, so you can create a key like this here. Go to EC2 module and click on key pairs. Here you can do any key. Click on create key pair and you have to specify key name here. That key name must be mentioned here. Select PEM format here, not PPK. We have to select PEM format. Okay, let us say 24 John key for Python. Exactly give this. Copy this and click on create key pair. And the region is US East 2. It is Ohio region. Here I am going to give the key name as 15th John key for Python. And AMI ID, how to select AMI ID here? To select AMI ID, just let us go to EC2 instance and click on launch
Search
to launch
launch
instance.
instance and choose the instance ID.
Here select Ubuntu operating system And
Ubuntu.
your image ID.
Yeah.
This is the image ID.
Image ID. Image ID. Yeah.
This is the image ID. Max count, min count. Okay, so when min count equal to 1, max count equal to 1, one instance will be created. Suppose that I want to create two instances. Then I have to write a script like this: min count equal to 1, max count equal to 2.
Oh.
Then two instances will be created. And instance type equal to T2 micro, key name equal to 24 Jan, key for Python. This is image ID. This is a minimum parameters, okay, with which you can create an instance. Now let us go to git bash and let us say Python.
Sir, can you
What is
explain
the
that parameter
create?
part?
Yes.
Parameter minimum count on, maximum count on means minimum number of instances creation, right?
Yes.
If we give 5 means 5
Okay.
instance will
Suppose
create,
see.
sir. Uh,
Suppose I say like this: min count equal to 1, max count equal to 2. Suppose I
mm,
10. I say specify 5. But
mm,
your account is not supporting to create 5. For every account,
mm.
there is a limitation. There is a quota. Okay.
Okay,
So if you are
okay,
crossing
okay.
this quota, these many instances will not be created. At least it will create one instance.
Oh, okay, sir. Mm,
Suppose here I specify 10 here. 10 may not be
mm.
created because your account may not be supported. But in the place
Oh,
of I say 2, minimum count equal to 2. At least two instances will
mm,
be created here.
okay, sir.
Now let us execute this file. So I have saved this file in vm.tf. So
Mm,
Python vm.tf.
mm.
There was never closed. Where never closed.
No, print 12th line, 12th line. Line number 12, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, so these are instance ID that is going to be created. 0,
Okay.
4, 6, 5.
So
And go and
Python, okay,
verify.
Terraform. So inside Terraform, we can write this also, right?
Not Terraform, this is Python script.
Okay, okay, okay. No, it shows
Okay,
dot
Terraform.
.tf. TF means Terraform, right? So only asked.
Okay,
Python,
did I set TF? Okay,
see,
it is
VM
dot
dot
.py.
.tf.
Not, yes, yes, you are right. This rename it
Oh, okay,
py.
okay, okay. That's why I don't. Okay, fine.
Okay, so it does not bother about extension. Okay, that is why
O-
instance is being created.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Pressing P 46 by is created. It is pending and now it is running.
Hmm. What is the default
Pressing
storage it is
465.
creating, sir?
Uh-huh.
Default storage it is create. What storage it is created? 8
Storage
GB or
means yeah, 8 GB, 8
um,
GB.
8 GB? Okay, sir.
Yes, 8 GB only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is how you can create instances from Python. In the same way, suppose I want to
Hmm.
create a VPC,
Hmm.
Python
Hmm.
VPC creation.
Hmm.
There are so many articles are there here, hundreds of articles. Everything is self-explanatory.
Hmm. Hmm.
Create a VPC. To create a VPC, first is importing Boto3 module,
Hmm.
EC2. Boto3.resource equal to EC2. And this is a CADR block. And next
Hmm.
is assigning tags,
Hmm.
Boto3 client. Next is enabling DNS,
Hmm.
creating an internet gateway and attaching into the
VPC.
VPC.
Hmm. We
Okay,
are
so I
creating
think
the
in the very beginning class I have shown everything how to create it from a
yeah,
console. Okay, so the
yeah,
same
console. Yeah.
steps are given here.
Okay.
I'm going to give link of this document also. All you need to know is just understanding and just executing Python and file
Hmm.
name dot py for VPC creation. Refer here. Now, Selvaraj, this is a last topic, and I'm stopping the session. If you have any questions, you have my mail ID, right? Okay,
No,
so
sir,
you
I
can
don't
ping
have
me.
anything actually. Your mail ID or even phone number, nothing is there actually.
Okay, I'm giving my mail ID in the chat window.
Oh, oh, okay. You are in US or India, sir? Actually,
Yeah, India, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Actually, I'm planning to. They are planning to send me to US. If any doubt, I might be reaching you to you, sir. So, any possibility of
Which
sharing
company you
mobile
are
number?
working?
HCL, sir.
HCL.
It's HCL. Yeah.
HCL, which domain? Which platform?
Actually, I'm part of telecom testing,
The telecom
automation testing.
testing. Okay.
Python. It's a telecom testing actually, where I
Okay,
used
okay.
automation, sir.
They
So
wanted to
here,
send you to US no,
yes,
online.
sir.
That is
Yeah.
on temporary purpose or permanent purpose.
I mean H1B I already have almost 2.5 years ago. I got the H1B, but
Okay.
opportunities now only I got some opportunities. So if they approve,
Already
then I
you
will
got
try.
H1B from your
Yeah,
company, or
2 years.
you tried from personal?
No, no, from my company, sir. 2.5 years ago, I got that.
Okay, okay. Anytime you can go. Right.
2.5 years ago, I got it actually, but it's almost going to expire in another 6 months. So this time
Mm-hmm.
they are eager to looking for opportunity to send me to US, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
if
So
any
from
doubts, I
there, if
supposed
you
to reach
want,
you. Yes.
okay. So in the USA, if you want any help or something, placement assistance and job support, you can contact me. Okay. We have a team. Okay. I will give the
Okay, sir.
team members. If you need any time, you can contact me through this mail ID.
Okay, sir.
So did you take my mail ID? Shivakumar, Kumravelli Shivakumar DevOps at the rate gmail.com.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
I have given in the chat window.
Mm. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Okay. So at any time you can contact me through my mail. Right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
I'm
So the
stopping the meeting. Selvaraj.
last topic you told one thing is pending. What are you planning to teach me, sir?
Which one?
You are now you have created VM EC2 through Bodo 3. That's all is enough, sir. Another
Yeah.
example you try to teach me today.
Yeah. Yeah. Just you can do that copy pasting only VPC creation. If you do my, if you know manual
Oh,
steps,
VPC creation
yeah,
only. Okay, sir.
VPC creation.
Then I can do it, sir. No problem. Anyway, I'll surely keep in touch with you. But okay, sir. I'll keep in touch with you through email, sir. My name is Kriba Shankar. Actually, Selvaraj is my father name. My actual name is
Okay.
Kriba Shankar, sir.
Dhruva Shankar.
Yeah, Kriba Shankar is my name. Yeah.
Okay. 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 At any time
Oh,
after going to USA, okay, you can
yeah.
keep in touch with me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm stopping the